Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the trigger of your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This process can enhance the efficiency of your vacuum and prolong its life. Let's get started with the tools you will need. First, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small pair of pliers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. Begin by unplugging the vacuum. Safety is crucial. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover off. You'll see the internal components of the vacuum. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris accumulated inside. A clean environment helps maintain the vacuum's performance. Now, focus on the trigger mechanism. You'll notice a small clip holding the trigger in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry this clip off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. After the clip is removed, you can easily take out the old trigger. If you're unsure about the installation, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess any issues. Take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Ensure it fits snugly. Before securing it, test the trigger to ensure it moves smoothly. If it doesn't, check the alignment again. Now, let's put the clip back in place to secure the trigger. Use your pliers to gently press it back until you hear a click. This indicates it's secured properly. With the trigger installed, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it with the vacuum body and gently press it down until it clicks into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. Once the screws are back in, give your vacuum a quick visual check to ensure everything is in place. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel needed. Finally, plug in the vacuum and test the new trigger. It should feel responsive and smooth. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs upfront and can make an informed decision. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Not only have you saved money on repairs, but you've also gained valuable experience in maintaining your appliance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.